Hey everyone, I'm Samyak Agarkar and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can get started with your own YouTube journey. Everyone wants to make a YouTube channel and upload videos these days, right? Let's talk about why you should start a YouTube channel, or let's talk about why you should not start a YouTube channel. If you're just looking at some YouTuber and looking at his or her fame and money that they are getting, then that is not the reason that you should be starting your own YouTube channel. The why of this question has to come from your side. It has to be about you. Do you have some skills that you want to share with your friends and families and the world? Is there something that other people by watching your videos are going to either get entertained or educated? Only then you have to start a YouTube channel. If you just for the namesake you create something and just put out on the YouTube channel, it is not going to grow. If you make content which no one wants to watch, it is not going to happen, right? So there are two aspects to this. One, it has to do with you. You should have some kind of skills. Maybe you have some cooking skills, dancing skills, you sing very well, maybe you're a good coder, maybe you can make memes, you can make funny videos. Then only make a YouTube channel, not by just looking at someone else and just imitating what they are doing, right? The other thing that is very crucial is to create a content which people want to watch, right? If you create a content which no one wants to watch, it is not going to be helpful and your channel is not going to grow at all. Create something which others can have, either get entertainment or get education from that kind of videos, right? Entertainment and education are the two primary things that any YouTube channel can provide to you, right? So that is that. Now let's talk about how to get started with the YouTube channel. We are not going to talk about the technical aspects of it, how to set up a YouTube channel, how to get the name done, how to get the name, how to create thumbnails and stuff like that, how to put up the channel art and stuff like that. These are all technical stuffs. I'm going to talk about those. I'm not going to leave this stuff right out. I'm going to talk about this stuff, but on a separate dedicated course on my other YouTube channel and the website Agarkar Media Academy. So link in the description if you want to learn about how to set up a YouTube channel. That is the first course that I'm going to provide on the website itself and on the YouTube channel. So Agarkar Media Academy down in the comment section below. That is not upcoming. Subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload the first videos for the Academy channels, the course for how to set up your YouTube channel, that will be notified to you as soon as I upload the videos, right? So let's put that aside. What are the things necessary for creating a YouTube channel? First of all, again, everyone knows camera is required, an audio system is required, some kind of lighting is required, and a good internet connection is required to upload your videos, right? Now, should you spend your money at the very beginning on all the materials, on the gears, all the equipments? No. Just get started with what you have already. If you have a good mobile phone, if the camera is good, and almost all mobile phones cameras are good nowadays. So just start making videos from your mobile phones. If you have a good laptop screen and a laptop webcam, then you can start making your videos from the laptop webcam as well. Don't wait or don't spend money, just write out on the equipments, all of these equipments that you can see right here. I'm using a very fancy camera, good audio setup, good lighting setup. Not everyone needs that, and at least at the beginning phases you don't need that. First of all, you just want to upload your videos and see the response of how people are reacting to your videos. Are they liking it? Are you confident enough to make some videos or talk in front of a camera? Because what I figured while I started this YouTube channel like 2 or 3 years earlier, the most difficult part was to talk in front of a camera. It is very difficult to talk in front of a camera. Once the just start the record button, you become very nervous while talking to the camera. So that is what you have to first of all come up with. You have to get your nervousness out of the park. You have to become very confident enough that you can talk in front of a camera. Now look at the previous videos that I have on the YouTube channel, like 2 or 3 years back. I made those videos on a mobile phone. I just put up the mobile phone on some table and just shot the entire videos and then edited the videos on my laptop or computer, right? Nowadays, I'm not even recording mobiles. Of course, I'm not using mobile phone for recording the videos, but I'm not even editing the videos. I'm just recording the video as it is and just uploading onto the YouTube channel. That level of confidence needs time to build up, right? So you have to think about that as well while you're starting a YouTube channel. It is not going to grow in just like months, right? It is going to take a lot of time to grow. First of all, because while you are making the videos or while you are shooting the videos, you'll understand that there are some inherent problems with you. You are not confident enough. You have not figured out what kind of content to make, what are the next videos that you want to make videos on. So these kind of stuffs are really very crucial in the growth of YouTube channel. So you have to focus on that at the very beginning parts of your beginning phase of your YouTube journey. So that is that. Don't spend money on these fancy stuff. If you already have this stuff, or maybe if you have the liberty of spending some amount of money on this fancy YouTube gear, then please go ahead. But if you don't have, don't hold back that I don't have this gear and so I cannot make these fancy videos. No, don't think like that. You can make the videos, you can get started with whatever you have just right now. So that is it. I mean, this is what all that I wanted to say in this video. Don't wait for some fancy gear to come up. Don't wait for random things. Don't wait for your nervousness to go out. Don't wait for confidence to build up. It is going to happen eventually. Somewhere down the line you're going to earn money from YouTube, or maybe from somewhere else that you're interested in, and from there you can get all this fancy thing done, right? And there is one other aspect of a YouTube channel as well. It's about the financial aspect, right? The financials. Can you think of a YouTube channel as being the primary source of income for you? See, the point is there are many YouTubers who have come up to a level where YouTube itself is the primary source of their income. But to be very clear and to be very honest, not everyone is able to do that. Somewhere down the line you can keep it as a side thing, right? It is just helping you out grow your business or something like that, or maybe just as a hobby you're doing it and it is just a secondary source of income. To make it a primary source of income, to make YouTube channel a primary source of income is very difficult, and very few people have figured it out, right? So don't go for that. Don't just entirely focus just on YouTube. There are other things as well that you can do along with the YouTube channel and along with the YouTube videos that you're shooting every day to earn money for your financial stuff, right? So that is it. This is what I wanted to share in this video. This is what I wanted to do in this video. The entire aim of this video was to give you a little bit of push so that you can get started with your own YouTube journey. Don't wait for the equipments, don't wait for the fancy stuff. Just get started with whatever you have. Don't hesitate to put out your first videos, because there's no YouTuber whose first video was perfect, right? Everyone start with zero subscribers, zero confidence level, and zero editing skills and stuff like that. So don't be afraid to put up your videos on the YouTube channel and just show up just open up it to the world, right? So that is all what I wanted to share in this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you feel that someone from your friends and families also need some kind of a push for starting a YouTube channel and a YouTube journey, then please do share this video with them. If you haven't yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep learning.